Today's lesson is on scatter plots, and this particular IXL is on creating scatter plots. A scatter plot is a graph where the points are kind of all over the place. So we are not going to connect them with a line. We are just going to plot the points on there. They may show a pattern or they may just be all over the place, depending on the information given. So for this particular problem, it says for 10 school days, Bryn recorded the amount of time she spent on homework and at sports practice. And they gave us this chart here. So it doesn't tell us what is X, what is Y, but you guys need to remember is that the first thing listed is always the X. So the homework is our X values and the sports practice will be our Y values. So we're going to use that to come down here and make a scatter plot. So the first one is 0, 60. She spent 0 minutes on homework and 60 minutes at sports practice. So you always start at the origin down here at 0, 0, and we have to go over 0 or crawl 0, so we're not going to move. And then we have to go up 60. And we click to put a dot. The next one is 10, 60, so back to the origin. We're going to crawl 10 and climb 60. The third one is 15 minutes of homework and 40 minutes at practice. So back to the origin, crawl 15, climb 40. Then we have 15, 0, crawl 15 and climb 0. So right there. 40, 40, 40 minutes of homework, 40 minutes of practice. Crawl 40, climb 40. 30 minutes of homework and 80 minutes of practice. Crawl to 30, climb to 80. 20, 60, crawl to 20, climb to 60. 0 homework, 40 minutes of practice. So crawl 0, climb 40. Oops, not right there, 40. 35, 0, crawl to 35 and climb 0. And our last one is 580. So crawl to 5, climb to 80. And then that is it. Make sure that you get all of the points and go ahead and click the submit button. Okay. I'm not going to go through this whole problem here, but same situation, only a different story problem to go with it. So this one is the relationship between the prices of a concert tickets and the distance that you're sitting from the stage. So distance is on the top, so that is going to be your X. That's going to be how far you crawl. And the price will be your Y, and that's how far you climb.